Hi guys, and welcome back to Tips and Bits. And today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq 100, and price is currently at $11,500. And as I mentioned previously, we have tested. I did consider this as a test. I am currently sitting on the sidelines. Monday was a fantastic candle for an entry. However, I did see a potential rejection. So it'll be very interesting to see how today's candle closes. And as I mentioned before, I do believe we're going to consolidate around this 0.5 and 0.6 on the Fibonacci retracement, which our Fibonacci has been drawn all the way from our COVID lows all the way to our COVID highs, and we see our COVID highs there around 17,000. So the reason why I believe we're going to bounce around this time is a fantastic investment opportunity for a lot of investors. The Nasdaq 100 is a discounted price. It's almost a third of the price it was back at its all-time highs before this recession was announced. And also, with the Nasdaq 100 being a basket of the top 100 tech stocks, Christmas and the final sector is always incredibly bullish for the top 100 tech stocks. Also, looking into the S&P 500, it is also very bullish for the top 500 American companies, which is due to Christmas and a lot of people buying. And a lot of consumers like myself and yourself, purchasing and buying goods from these high-tech and valuable companies. However, we have seen, slight bull runs. I wouldn't even consider it a bull run. I'd say, we have seen slight bullish pressure and selling pressure, and this is just due to the fact that we are still in a recession. We did see, interest rates hike in the US at 8.3%, which is incredibly large. So that is obviously bad news in regards to a recession, meaning that what the Fed is doing is not currently working. They're going to continue to hike interest rates, which ultimately is going to mean the consumer is going to have less money due to money being spent in other areas. So for me, I believe the Nasdaq 100 is going to bounce around the 0.5 and 0.6 Fibonacci. I myself am an investor in the Nasdaq 100, so I think it's a fantastic opportunity to invest, especially when we get around to this 11,000 region and 10,500 region or 10,600 region. But for any trades at the moment, I'm currently sitting on the sidelines just waiting, seeing if there are any good confirmations to enter in short term in this market.